example of English adjective clauses. And the sentence is the book that you gave me is fascinating. This diagram helps us understand the sentence structure more clearly. The first, we start from the sentence. This sentence consists of two main parts, noun phrase and verb phrase. The book is noun phrase and is the determiner and book is the noun and the verb phrase is fascinating and this verb phrase consists of the verb is and the adjective phrase fascinating. And next we look at the adjective clause which provides additional information about the word book. This adjective clause starts with the pronoun that followed by you as the subject and get me as the verb phrase. And the tree diagram of English adverbial clauses and the sentence is I cried because he left. This diagram helps us understand the sentence structure better. The first, we start from the top note, which is sentence. This sentence consists of two main parts, noun phrase and verb phrase. The noun phrase here is I, which is a pronoun. Then we move on to the verb phrase, cried because he left. This verb phrase consists of the verb cry and the adverbial clause, because he left. The adverbial clause starts with the subordinator, because, which indicates cause followed by a subclause that has our structure. This subclause consists of a noun phrase, he, and verb phrase is left. And the tree diagram of English simple sentence is John runs. We have as our sentence, and the sentence consists of two components, noun phrase and verb phrase. Noun phrase represents the subject in this sentence, which in this example is John. The verb phrase represents the predicate in this sentence, which in this example is run. And then the tree diagram of English compound sentence. The sentence is John runs and Mary jumps. At the top level, the sentence consists of two clauses. And the first clause consists of a noun phrase and a verb phrase. And the noun phrase is John. Verb phrase is runs. And the second clause also consists of noun phrase and verb phrase. And noun phrase is Mary. Verb phrase is jumps. These two clauses are connected by the conjunction and. The next tree diagram of English complex sentence. The sentence is John runs because he wants to stay healthy. This sentence consists of one main clause and one subordinate clause. The main clause is sung by the first S, which consists of noun phrase John and verb phrase runs. The subordinate clause is sung by the subordinate clause, which connect the main clause with the subordinate clause using the conjunction because. The subordinate clause consists of the complementizer because, which start the subordinate clause. The subordinate clause consists of a sentence that has the noun phrase he and want to stay healthy. And the next tree diagram of English compound complex sentence. The sentence is John runs because he wants to stay healthy and Mary jumps. The sentence contains a main clause and subordinate clause joined by a conjunction. The first main clause consists of noun phrase John and verb phrase runs. The subordinate clause is sung by the subordinate clause which connect the first main clause with the subordinate clause using the conjunction because. And the subordinate clause consists of the complementizer because, which start the subordinate clause. The subordinate clause consists of the noun phrase he and the verb phrase wants to stay healthy. The second main clause consists of the noun phrase Mary and the verb phrase jumps and is connected by the conjunction and.